In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up a clean and functional homepage in Notion that you can use every single day. A Notion homepage helps you organize your work, personal projects, and important links all in one place, so you don't have to jump between pages every time you open Notion. This setup is beginner-friendly and works whether you're using Notion for school, work, or personal planning. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Notion tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and go to the sidebar on the left. Click on New Page to create a fresh page. This will be the base for your home page. Once the page opens, click on the title area and rename it to something like Home, Dashboard, or My Home Page, whatever feels right for you. Naming it clearly makes it easy to find and return to later. Next, move your cursor near the top of the page and click on the Add Icon option. From here, click on Add Cover. This gives your homepage a nice visual header and makes it feel more personal. After the cover is added, click on Change Cover. You can choose a Notion gallery image, upload your own image, or paste an image link. Pick something simple and clean that won't distract you. Once you're happy with the cover, scroll down into the main body of the page. Click anywhere and type /toggle. From the menu that appears, click on Toggle List. This creates a collapsible section that's perfect for organizing different areas of your homepage. Rename the toggle to something useful, like Work, Personal, Resources, or Daily Tasks. Now click on the toggle to expand it and start adding pages inside. Inside the open toggle, click where it says Empty and type /page. Then click on Page to create a new subpage. This page can be used for anything, like a task list, notes, or project tracking. Rename this page to match its purpose so everything stays organized. You can repeat this step to add multiple pages inside the same toggle. This helps keep your homepage clean while still giving you access to detailed pages when you need them. Next, let's add a quick link section. Click below your toggle or inside another toggle and type /bookmark. From the options, click on Web Bookmark. Paste a link to a website you use often, like Google Docs, Gmail, or a project management tool. Notion will automatically generate a nice preview for the link. You can add multiple bookmarks to create a quick access area right on your homepage. At this point, you can customize even more by adding text headers, icons, or additional toggles for different categories. The goal is to make your Notion homepage simple, clear, and useful for how you actually work every day. Once you're done, click the star icon at the top to favorite this page so it always appears at the top of your sidebar. And that's it. You've successfully set up a functional and organized homepage in Notion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips, templates, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.